Hi guys, so today we are going to visit a nursery. You may see the background where I am. So I think so this is the second vlog of that, yeah. So let's start. So here I am with the nursery and you can see that it's plants everywhere and greenery is everywhere, which looks really gorgeous as you can see it. So we may start from here. So this is the plant which balam khira. So this is the plant of balam khira. You can just see it, and then after that it's the same balam khira only. And then coming this side, here this plant is papdi. So this and these are the plants of papdi. In the next one, here it comes. This is also papdi. You may see it. And then after this one plant is people. You can see it. It's people. It's everywhere people. People is used for making medicines. And here it is people. Maximum there are medicinal plants here. And there was a tree in between. Then it's the same, you can see there. For example, this was people. Then there is also people. There was papdi. Then there was also papdi. It's like that only. And then coming here, it's the same plant which was there. And so you may say, which plant was this?
Balam khira.
This was balam khira. And then coming up to the next one, here we have many trees. You can see it like there and everywhere. Which one? This is sesame. Sesame. This plant is of sesame. Which is sesame plant. Next, yeah, this one is sesame, not that one. It's sesame. This is also sesame. This is dhok. Yeah. This one is dhok and this one is sesame, not that one. So here, from just going through it, here are some trees. Which one tree is that one? That one tree. Ye which one? Yes. Bacan. This is bacan. Yeah. Yep. You can just see it. This is bacan. 2 to 3 trees are there of bacan. Then moving and then coming to the next part is, so yeah, here's the second one I just told you. Starting from here, this is neem. This is neem. Neem, there's a point of neem that neem is the only plant which gives oxygen at night. It's here neem. It is also neem. Then after this, which is this one?
Papdi hai, people hai.
This is papdi. You can see the leaves. This is papdi. Only this one. And this is people. This is people. After that, it's bottle bush. Yeah. Bottle brush. It's bottle brush. And after the bottle brush, there again comes the neem. You can see it. And going through it, neem. It is also neem here. And then it's neem all around there. Then coming here, after that neem, which plant is this?
Papdi.
Papdi. This is papdi. That
Papdi, ye sun papdi or ronjo.
these are also papdis. These 3 plants are of papdis.
Next time musket, I think.
Ronjo.
Ronge. Yeah.
Ronge.
It's not musket, it's ronge. This all it's ronge. After it, this and this, they both are papdi. Same papdi. And then ronge. And then which plant is this one?
ये कलम तैयार की जा रही है.
Kalam tiyar. They're just making them the kalam prepared. They're preparing the kalam. This is giloy bell. Yeah, it's giloy bell. It's a medicinal plant. After it, it's which one? Which one? Chal. Yeah, it's chal. And this is again papdi. Yeah, not chal, it's papdi. Then which is this one?
सेम रोज है
Same ronj, then same ra. It's same everywhere. Papdi, ronj, papdi, like that. Then here it was neem, and coming to the next, which is there. So here you can see it. It's the bud. The plant's name is bud, and after it you can just see there. Yeah, that is bud. Yeah, that's bud. This was not bud, it was people. Yeah, this is people, and that was bud. This was, you can see the leaf difference. Now mainly it's the leaf difference. This is bud, this all is bud, and this all is people. All is people. So let's move to the next one. So here this is nimbu plant. It's all in nimbu.
ये अमरूद है उस
You
side
can
से
see it.
नहीं।
Yeah, so these 2-3 lines are amrud, and after that it's nimbu. These all are nimbu.
ये सेम नींबू है वो अमरूद है
Yeah, this all is nimbu, not this is amrud, lemon. You can say that this is lemon, और ये अमरूद है. Okay. This is also amrud.
ये
After that, which one is this?
बकेन
Bacane. Yeah, this is bacane plant. This is bacane. And then coming to the next one, it is
पापड़ी इसमें
papdi. Yeah, the same papdi which we saw there. It's papdi only. Then it's amrud only, no? Yeah, it's amrud.
ये सेम आगे से
Which one? Shehtoot. Yeah, that is shehtoot. Those all are shehtoots. Then next one, this is papdi again. Again.
आगे पिलखन ये पापड़ी आगे पिलखन
Okay, this is papdi, and this one, which is it?
पिलखन
Pilkhand. This is Pilkhandi. This is all Pilkhandi. Then coming to the next one,
ये मोगरा ये इधर इधर मोगरा
this all is Mogra.
ये अनरमी आगे
Yeah. Then which one is it?
अनरमी
Anarmi. This is Anarmi plant. After Anarmi,
ये
bud. Yeah. This is bud. These are small buds, and there we saw it. It was very big buds. Then that they were just grown up. After this, which is this one?
ये अनरमी में से
Anarmi. It's the same Anarmi. Then after Anarmi, here comes the. These are it's no plant.
जामुन की बिजाई कर रहे थे
जामुन इसके अंदर बस लगाने वाले थे, अभी कोई प्लांट लगा नहीं हुआ है इसके अंदर.
लगा दिया जामुन लगा रखे
जामुन के बीज लगे हुए हैं इसके अंदर.
ये सेम पापड़ी ये मेहंदी
This is papdi, and this is
मेहंदी
mehendi. This is mehendi plant. You can see it. This is the leaves which are used for making mehendi. This is the fruit of mehendi. So mehendi, firstly we burn the mehendi, then it becomes black, and after burning it, when it's just this, its ashes are used for making mehendi. So which one is this?
पापड़ी
This is again papdi, neem. Then it's come the papdi, again neem, and it's all neem there. So let's. It's the same there and all. So let's move here.
ये पिलखन है ये
Which one is it?
पिलखन
Pilkhan. Yeah, it is Pilkhan.
तीनों बेड सेम तीनों
These three, this, that, and that. These three are Pilkhans.
इसमें
अब-
मेहंदी है
Uh,
ये पापड़ी भी है नीम भी है मेहंदी एक है
so papdi, neem, and there comes the mehendi.
फिर चंपा उसके बाद
Then after mehendi, there's champa also. I'll show you from there.
चंपा
Yeah. So which is this one?
चंपा
This is champa.
ये गुड़ैल है
This is Gudhel. Champa, Gudhel. So moving through, which is this one?
ये सब सेम गुड़ैल है
Same Gudhel. It's the same Gudhel is going through here. And which is this? Maybe it's a flowering plant.
लाल चांदी है
Lal Chandni. It's a flowering plant.
ये फ्लावरिंग सारी ये और ये भी चंपा भी ये फ्लावरिंग
Okay, these, this, this and this. These all three are flowering plants. Rose is also a flowering plant. You may see it. You can see it's really beautiful. After that,
गुलाब,
yeah, gulab and this is rose. It's the same rose.
ये जामुन है,
This is jamun. This all is jamun.
ये अंजीर, इससे आगे अनार,
Which one?
अंजीर,
Anjeer.
उसके आगे
This is Anjeer. After Anjeer, it's Anar. That. So, let's move to the next one. So, this is Amrood and
ये पापड़ी, ये अमरूद,
Papdi. They both are Papdi. This is Papdi and this is also Papdi. Then it comes the Amrood.
इसमें पापड़ी, आगे फिर अमरूद,
पहले यहाँ पे पापड़ी है and आगे वो ये सारे
अमरूद,
अमरूद.
ये अमरूद है,
ये अमरूद है and इसके आगे भी पापड़ी है.
वो अमरूद,
Then again comes the Amrood. So, moving to this part. Which are these plants? Shehtoot. These all are Shehtoots. All are Shehtoots. So, Shehtoots are done here. And these are Canaries.
फुलवाड़ी में,
Yeah.
सजावटी,
You can, lily plant. It's an flowering plant. Decoration plant, you can say. And which planting saplings?
ये थोड़ी सी वो है कड़ी पत्ता, उससे
Okay.
आगे ये तुलसी सारी,
Okay. So this is curry patta, and after that it's the saplings of tulsi all. Then, so we have completed the nursery. You may see it. It's looking really, really gorgeous in the greenery, and there are many plants, many type of plants. Most of them are flowering plants. Some are of medicines, you can say that, and some plants are really, really beautiful. So I think so you enjoyed the vlog, and if then don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. So I will meet you in my next vlog. So till then, take care and bye bye.